Okay, so we're gonna do a video of our hotel room in the Capri Hotel by Fraser in China Square. We are in room 1510. That's a Wi-Fi password, and this is the card. I'm staying at 1508 right now. I'm gonna walk to 1510. Now this is an executive king, and this is your bells and whatnot. Let's go ahead and walk in here. Alright, so looking at the door, we have the floor plan. Our room is right here, as you can see, with the escape route here. To the right, we have various controls, the lights for the various areas, and this is the temperature control. I need some cool AC right now. It's super hot outside. Alright, so this is what it looks like as you enter the room. Let's go ahead and zoom out here. There we go, super wide angle here. Alright, we have our luggage on the left side here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the storage areas first. On the right of the entrance, we have very nice Capri robes. This is waffle style, 2 of them, very nice. You got 2 pairs of slippers at the bottom. You got the iron, the storage for your luggage, the ironing board, and then we have some storage space for your stuff. That's just our luggage, our backpacks and things like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. We have a full-length mirror here. Let's go ahead and look at that. Okay, we have a rechargeable flashlight here, an outlet, a safe, some additional storage. There's your hair dryer, very nice, soft close, very nice. Okay, all right, so we have a kitchen nook here with your coffee machine, your various outlets, your amenities for creams and things like that for your coffee, the little tea kettle back there, and this thing for you to, I guess, cooking for you to cook stuff with. Oh, nice! Look at that. So the door has the trash can that pulls out with the door. Very nice design. Very cool. And ooh, we have some dishes here. Nice. Towels, soft clothes. Where's my silverware? Let's keep looking. Okay. And over here, we have some storage at the top. Okay. And your microwave oven. Wow. Very nice. Built in. Cool. Let's see what's in here. Ah, this is where my silverwares are. I got my scissors, bottle opener, things like that. Perfect for 2 people or more. And of course you have your fridge. Let's see what's inside here. All right. Good stuff, good stuff. All right. So this is one of the features, special features of this room. And it is premium filtered drinking water. I was wondering why they don't have complimentary water bottles, but this is it. Not sure if I would prefer it, but it is something different, that's for sure. Now let's take a look at the room real quick. This is again an executive king room. You have your mirror right here with a nice marble countertop. Little scale at the bottom, trash can. Got your cups for brushing. They have, of course, body lotion by Capri. Cool. And your sink. Little hand soap right there. And this beautiful mirror. Okay. Let's see what this sound is all about. This is a built-in TV with a nice sound bar at the bottom. Just showing some stuff. You have a little nook for your remote control there. All right, we got a little workspace here. What is this? All your hookups. Got your USB ports here, I believe. Yeah, although no, that's RJ11 phone connections, and your HDMI port right there. You want to hook something up to the TV, your various connectors, and that, oh, that's, yeah, touch control on the LED light. That is wireless charging for your phone. Very nice. Wow, look at this on this side. Got a nice relaxation chair, lounge chair, and we have this cool looking rotating storage space. Look at that, awesome. You have your various plugs right here and light controls, and you have beautiful art on the back. Looking at your king size bed right here, beautiful. And looking into your room, there's your toilet and the bath, probably a rain shower. Let me just go ahead and zoom out here. Wow, look at that ultra wide view here. Beautiful, very soft backlights. High quality linens here. King's bed. Look at this. Look at that detail. Love it. And a nice carpet at the bottom on wood. Alright, now let's take a look at the view outside. We are on the 15th floor, room 10. Okay, this is a view outside. This is a very top floor, 4 rooms. Above this is the 16th floor, which is their rooftop pool. Look at this beautiful view. Across from us is Great Eastern. I think that's a bank. Singtel. I think that's a telecom carrier here, like T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. OCBC, probably a bank. And a Morgan Stanley building. Okay, yeah, here we go. Morgan Stanley right there. Okay, and you can see the view of the surrounding areas down here. Lots of residential areas here. Very, very nice. Let's go ahead and zoom out. There we go. Ultra wide view here. Park Royale Collection. That's a very, very nice hotel. We're not too far away from it, so, but I think this is pretty good. This is our view. The restroom here and the bath. Okay, so here is your toilet. Nicely done here. Not too crazy, not too plain, just right. You have a very nice and soft towel on the left hand side. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. And here is your rain shower. Okay. Very nice towel, of course. And the floor, that's the drain. You have a nice rain shower here. Okay, some ventilation at the top. Let's look at the amenities. Body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Nice stuff. All right. So that's that. That's the overview of the room. Let's look at this again. Wow. Wow, look at this. Wow. Okay. I love those. Just that, you know, those little nice touches, you know, that hotels do to just make them stand out from the rest. Look at this ultra wide view. Amazing. Look at that. Okay, well, that is it for our quick tour of this room. Again, this is the room number 1510 of the Capri Hotel by Fraser in Chinatown, at the edge of Chinatown in Singapore. All right, of course you have your telephone there. That's it. Thank you very much. Let's take one quick view right here, ultra wide view here of the room with the lighting and the soft lighting, the back art right there. Beautiful. This is their gym. Whoa, that is pretty nice gym. On the left you have a mirror, huge mirror, all kinds of stuff here. Some bouncy balls here. Elliptical. Let's try it. As you're exercising, look back this way. Ooh. Okay, let's get down. Okay, let's go outside. What is this? Oh, workout mode. This is for this stuff right here. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get out of here. Now we come to the beautiful pool on a 16th floor. There's spin and play.